Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew here with CJC Off-Road. Today I've actually brought in my personal truck. It's a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 for some new ball joints. Now Carli's redesigned their ball joints. They basically borrowed everything they did to the 14 plus ball joints when they developed those and put them into this one. So it's not a huge design change. It was just some small, more incremental changes to these ball joints. You know, it still has the same coatings, the same stuff that you were familiar with. It still has that same amazing Carli metal on metal design. But what they did was improve just some slight areas. So on the lower ball joint, you'll notice there's now a rubber seal there. Just a small little tweak that they made to kind of change how the ball joint was designed and went together in assembly. Another thing that changed was they have a grease evacuation port on the lower ball joint. So they didn't used to have that. It used to be a closed system. Now it has a grease evacuation port so that you can cycle grease through the ball joint if there is any intrusion. We actually talked to Dan at Carli, who's been testing these ball joints. He said that he ran his with no dust cover and still had no water intrusion or anything like that. So that isn't to say that they've had any issues, but it is something that they thought they may as well, if they have the opportunity, make that change in the design. The uppers aren't too different. They did do some secret stuff that apparently they can't tell us about. They're very secretive about their coatings and the processes that they use in-house to develop these ball joints. But regardless, they all still are made in-house in the USA. Everything on these ball joints is USA made, including the box. Even the tape that goes on the box is USA made tape. So they take that kind of stuff seriously, and that's really what sets Carli apart from a lot of the competition. And that's really so that they can control the entire process from start to finish and ensure that it's the highest quality possible. And that's really what gives these ball joints their legendary performance and their legendary reliability. They're so confident in the reliability of these ball joints that they actually back it with a lifetime guarantee. So that means if for some reason you manage to wear these ball joints out prematurely, and you can prove that to Carli in a video, they will send you a new set of ball joints free of charge, and you can install them and then ship back your old ones. So your truck has, the only downtime is installation. It's a pretty impressive warranty policy, and it really goes to show that they back these ball joints up 100%. Now, a lot of other companies will have some sort of rebuildable aspect to their ball joints, whether it's in the truck or whatever. And Carli basically took that and said, why even bother with that? We're gonna make a ball joint that is a metal on metal wear surface so that there is no rebuildable ball joint needed. Basically, it is a lifetime ball joint. This will be the last of joints that you ever put in your truck. And that's kind of what I'm hoping on my truck as well. So I've had some issues with steering, sticky steering, sloppy stuff going on with my previous set, and hopefully with these that should clear things up and make this truck drive as well as I would like it to. Now, if you guys are installing these ball joints at home, we're gonna have two videos to help you out. We have a full install video from start to finish, installing ball joints in these trucks, and then we also have a second video that's just a quick little tips and troubleshooting stuff that you might run into while installing ball joints. So I'm gonna link those in the description below. You can give those a watch if you need to. So if you guys have any questions about these ball joints or anything else, please feel free to comment below this video. You can, we're happy to help you out in the comments. You can also email us or call. Again, we're happy to help you guys out with anything you need. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully this helps you on your search for ball joints.